Rosemary is a great drought-tolerant herb to add to your garden, and there's a couple of different varieties that you might find readily on the market. There's one called Barbeque, and this particular cultivar produces long, straight stems of rosemary. So what you can do is actually take these stems and strip the leaves off of it and use those as skewers for your shish kebabs. And it adds a little bit of flavor to your meat or vegetables as you're barbecuing, and it's just a nice addition. Now this particular cultivar is hardy only from zones 8 to 10, so it won't be overwintering for you in the garden. Another one that you might find is called Huntington carpet. This is a low-growing rosemary, and again, it's only hardy from zones 8 to 10, but what's nice about it is it tends to spill over. So it's a great addition to the edge of your garden or perhaps a container. Now, if you're looking for one that's going to last a little bit longer in the garden, you want to look for a cultivar called Arp, A-R-P. And this cultivar is touted as being one of the most cold hardy rosemaries that you can find. It's said to be hardy from zone 6 to 10, and so you can see it has the nice kind of bluish gray foliage that's traditionally seen in rosemary. It's going to have an upright growth of about 3 feet. So Arp is the one you want to get if you're looking for a perennial rosemary to add to your garden. As I said, rosemary is a great drought-tolerant plant. It can handle the heat in the garden as well as in the kitchen.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.